Hola, me llamo Señor Adams. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre las palabras affirmativos y negativos. Affirmative and negative words. Okay. To make a sentence negative, put no in front of the verb. I know it sounds obvious, but that's how they do it in Spanish. For example, no sacamos notas en la clase de matemáticas. What this does is it makes this word, sacamos, we take notes, to we don't take notes. So there's no word for do or don't in Spanish. Those do not exist. All we do is we say no. Okay, let's look at the chart. So on the affirmative side, we've got alguien, which is someone or anyone. We've got algo, which means something. Algún, alguno, and alguna all mean some or any. They all mean the same thing. We've got siempre, which means always, and también, which means also or too. On the negative side, we've got nadie, no one or nobody. Nada means nothing. Ningún, ninguno, ninguna mean no, none, or not any. Nunca means never. And tampoco means neither or either, depending on how you use it. Okay, the words alguno, alguna, algunos, algunas, and ninguno, ninguna match the number, singular, plural, and gender, masculine or feminine, of the noun they modify. So you can see that these words can be made to match. So o, a, os, as, o, and a, you can change them. Okay. All right. Let's look at an example. ¿Van ustedes al laboratorio de computadoras en algunas clases? Right? Because clase is feminine, la clase. So algunas has to be feminine to match clases. Feminine, they're both feminine, and plural. Are you going to the computer in some classes? So it has to match. Okay, they're feminine, plural. No. No vamos al laboratorio en ninguna clase. So now, no, we're not going to the lab in any class. So now it's one class, so ninguna is singular. So it's singular and they're both feminine. Okay. When alguno and ninguno come before a masculine noun, they change to algún and ningún. So in other words, you drop the O in alguno and you drop the O in ninguno. So you have algún and ningún. That's before a masculine noun. So for example, vas a dar algún discurso, right? Because discurso is masculine, so you drop the O off alguno. En la clase de inglés, are you going to give some speech in English class? No. No voy a dar ningún discurso. So again, algún, ningún, before masculine noun, such as discurso. No, I'm not going to give any speech. So these match. Okay, I hope you are starting to understand affirmative and negative words a little better. Adios.